In the last few centuries, all of us are changed because of company. Sunrain, the world's largest supplier for solar thermal and water purification system solutions. Established in 1999, we are an ecological science and technology company. In 2009, we became the first company in industry with annual sales of 1 million sets of solar heating. In 2012, we became the first company in industry which listed on A-Shares motherboard at the Shanghai Stock Exchange and become the first shared of solar thermal in Chinese. In the last decade, we have changed the industry. Today we are embarking on a new change. In 2013, Sunrain began to enter into a new stage of development. Based on solar thermal, we set sun, air, water as the core elements of enterprise, set forward for diversification, internationalization, and digitization as upgrading and transformation strategy, have become a new development pattern of one body, two wings. Our efforts have changed the pattern of solar thermal markets around the world and changed people's demand and usage of hot water and heating. Today, in capabilities such as R&D, branding, manufacturing, and others, we have already established unique leadership position. We own two global brands, Sunrain and Miko. We have a nationwide broad sales channel, completely covering 31 provinces and cities, more than 3,000 primary dealers, and 20,000 secondary distributors. In Shenzhen and Lianyungang, we have established e-commerce centers to promote the integration of online and offline channels. In exports, our products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions in the world. In Lianyungang, the east bridgehead of Eurasia Land Bridge, we have a headquarter as a whole operations center in R&D, manufacturing, brand promotion, and export business. In Yanzhou of Shandong Province, we have built the base to manufacture core parts, vacuum tube. In Luoyang of Henan Province, we have built the world's leading base in R&D, manufacturing of solar thermal in the whole industrial chain. In Chuanda of Guangdong Province, we have built Asia's largest base in R&D and manufacturing of air source heat pump. This is to further enhance the comprehensive competitiveness in the field of new energy solutions. As the world's only and leading enterprise, which can manufacture 4 types of thermal products, such as all-glass vacuum tube, all-glass heat pipe, glass metal sealing heat pipe, flat plate collector. The business system of Sunrain has covered low-temperature hot water and space heating, medium-temperature solar chiller, and high-temperature solar power in the future. In the innovation field of distributed energy, Sunrain became the leader of market and took the lead innovative technologies and solutions in China, such as solar heating system with seasonal thermal energy storage, composite energy system, to replace traditional energy. These will solve the demand of heating in winter and promote construction of distributed PV power station. We are driven by a group of highly skilled specialists present on different continents. We have the world's leading R&D, testing platform, and technology, such as the state-recognized technology center, CNAS accredited laboratory, mobile solar thermal testing system, completely imported German high-tech test system. We have high-quality management system, strategically established whole industrial chain, and fully automatic production line. All of these can ensure sustained improvement in production efficiency. These constantly drive us to achieve bigger and better goals. Science and technology make us more free. We effectively use modern management, technical and process tools, such as ERP, PDM, HR, REIP, BI, and CRM, in order to improve efficiency and effectiveness, to become effective organization, efficient R&D development, manufacturing, logistics, and customer service system, to upgrade transformation in intelligent manufacturing. In 2014, for future sustainable development and the investment demand, taking globalization, we have set up venture capital companies in Hong Kong, Shanghai Free Trade Zone, and the Silicon Valley, USA, successively. We believe social responsibility is a cornerstone of company. The ecological public welfare and public peace are the starting point of our practice. In 2009, we founded the first state-level public welfare charity fund in China's new energy industry, committed to sustainable public welfare projects such as Sunshine Bathroom, Sun Entrepreneurship, and we also created family funds to advocate specific micro-public welfare action, such as Do a Good Turn Daily. By 2020, Sunrain is set to achieve solar thermal insulation for nearly 100 million square meters totally. More than a million sets of air source heat pump, which can replace the conventional energy. For example, 20 million tons of standard coal, reduce carbon dioxide emissions for about 30 million tons, save power 87.4 billion kilowatt hours. In other words, we will re-engineer a green gorgeous by the use of solar and air energy. The world is changing, but the only thing that is not changing is our expectations on nature, our awe and respect for life. Open, inclusive, cooperative, win-win is our firm belief. With our products and services, we make sunshine more bright, air more fresh, and water more clean. Protecting the environment and human health is our forever dream. Sunrain, the power of change.